Can you help me out? Can you lend me a hand? It's safe to say that I'm stuck again. A trap between this life and the light. I just can't figure out how to make it right. 1,000 times before, I'd wondered if there's something more, something more. I feel it's gonna rain like this for days, so let it rain down and wash everything away. I hope that tomorrow the sun will shine. With every tomorrow comes another light. I feel it's gonna rain